If you put these tips into practice, you will be able to establish a solid basis for your nursing career.
Be educated, but I'm so frustrated.
Welcome to another episode of Caring Heart. This is where nurses learn how to successfully navigate the complexities of the healthcare system and break the barriers which limit them from succeeding. Valuable practical tips are provided weekly to help nurses build confidence, overcome cultural shock at work, and improve their career. Whether you are a new or seasoned nurse, you will find these tips useful daily in your career. Nurse leaders, this channel can also relieve you of your administrative burden, as the tips shared weekly could reshape your employees' mindset toward their job. I'm Benis Odudu, a certified nurse educator. I work with new graduate and immigrant nurses to build confidence, overcome cultural shock at work, and improve their careers. Episode 15, How a New Graduate Nurse Can Work Smart. You should be congratulated on successfully finishing your nursing study, and you are very welcome to the nursing profession as a new graduate nurse. It is imperative that you acquire the skills necessary to operate efficiently to make a smooth transition into your nursing career as you embark on this exciting journey. Working smart means making the most of your time, energy, resources, and critical thinking skills so that you can provide exceptional care to patients while also looking after your own health and well-being. As a newly graduated nurse, you could experience a variety of challenges daily. You need to know different feelings are triggered by different obstacles. For example, you can feel happy because you were able to perform a procedure that you had thought not being able to do. Or you might also feel sad because you are unable to notice the signs and symptoms of a patient deteriorating in a timely manner. Here are 10 tips to help a new graduate nurse to work smart. 1. Embrace lifelong learning. Because nursing is a profession that is constantly undergoing change, it is important to make a commitment to continual education to improve your knowledge and abilities. It is important to remain current with the most recent evidence-based practices, participate in workshops, and to pursue further certifications. When a new piece of equipment or procedure is being introduced, you should be one of the first people to sign up for classes or attend in-service training. 2. Seek out mentorship. The second step is to look for more seasoned nurses who are willing to act as mentors. They are able to offer helpful direction and assistance, as well as share their views and perspectives based on their own experiences. Developing strong relationships with mentors can provide invaluable assistance in overcoming challenges and advancing your career. When you are unfamiliar with a piece of equipment or procedure, do not claim to know it. Instead, learn to simply say, "Show me." Being humble will open up your horizon of understanding. 3. Make time management your number one priority. Good time management is one of the most important skills for nurses to have. Make a schedule, sort the tasks in order of importance, and delegate when it's suitable. Maintain order, make preparations in advance, and think about how you might respond to unexpected events to ensure that you can handle your responsibilities effectively. The best way to improve is to practice and play role-playing scenario either by yourself, family, and peers. Sometimes I practice in front of the mirror. 4. Master documentation. When it comes to providing quality patient care, documentation that is both accurate and timely is necessary. Get yourself familiar with the documentation system that your organization uses and start developing excellent habits as soon as you can. Always keep in mind the need to document all that was done and needs to be done for efficient communication and legal purposes. Remember, if it is not documented, it was not done. 5. Improve your communication abilities. Nursing requires frequent communication with patients, their family, and interdisciplinary healthcare teams that are caring for them. Develop your verbal and written communication skills to effectively express knowledge to others. Actively listen to what they have to say and smoothly interact with other people. 6. Make time for self-care. Nursing can be taxing in several ways, include emotionally and physically. Make taking care of yourself a top priority to stay on burnout and preserve your health. Get enough sleep. Maintain a healthy diet and exercise routine. And make time for hobbies that allow you to unwind and re-energize. 7. Critical thinking skills. Being able to make good critical decisions requires you to have strong critical thinking skills. Enhance your capacity for critical thinking by performing information analysis, thinking about several potential solutions, and looking for evidence to back up your decision-making process. Do this on a consistent basis. If you want to improve your ability to think critically, you should ask more experienced workers for criticism and feedbacks. 8. Encourage collaboration. Nursing is a team-based profession, and strong teamwork is one factor that contributes to improved patient outcomes. Develop great relationships with your co-workers. Show respect for the expertise they possess, and contribute to an atmosphere at work that is friendly and encourages collaboration. 9. Familiarize yourself with technology. Make sure you are up to date on the latest technical advances in the medical field. Every day, new health technologies are introduced into the healthcare system. Get familiar with electronic health records, smartphones, applications, and other digital tools that can help you improve patient care and communication while also streamlining your workflow. 10. If you want to determine your strengths and limitations, doing some self-reflection is a good way to start. Reflect on your work on a regular basis, both to find areas where you can improve and to acknowledge and appreciate your achievements. Keep an open mind to feedback that can improve your performance, and look for ways to improve yourself. Continuous self-reflection can be a useful tool for you to evaluate one's ability and progress towards one's potentials in the nursing profession. Keep in mind that working smart does not mean doing more work. Rather, it means making the most of the work you do to obtain greater results. If you put these tips into practice, you will be able to establish a solid basis for your nursing career, giving outstanding care to your patients and fostering your professional development all at the same time. I wish you the best of luck as you begin your nursing career as a newly graduated nurse. I'm grateful that you decide to watch. I will appreciate if you could subscribe, share, and leave your comments. You can contact me via the email displayed on the screen. Remember, a caring heart makes all the difference.
I wish I knew.